You think you've seen London? Trust me, you haven't. Behind these streets, behind these lights.
Welcome to downtown London, a place where every street tells a secret story. Most tourists only see the famous landmarks: Big Ben, Tower Bridge, and the London Eye. But what if I told you the real London hides behind the camera flashes? As I walk through these historic lanes, I can feel the heartbeat of a city that never stops evolving. In 2025, London has transformed. Futuristic glass towers now stand beside centuries-old pubs, where writers like Charles Dickens once found inspiration. But here's what most tourists don't know. Beneath the busy streets of downtown London lies an entire hidden world, forgotten tunnels from World War II, secret speakeasy bars behind old bookstores, and art galleries you'll never find on Google Maps. And if you wander late at night, you might even hear the whispers of London's past, stories of the Great Fire, royal secrets, and unsolved mysteries that still haunt these cobblestone paths. So, next time you visit London, don't just take photos. Listen. Explore. Feel the pulse of the city that breeds history and innovation together.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this cinematic journey, make sure to subscribe to StreetFrame Stories for more adventures.